Hi, this is Gregg Burgard from the Rio Grande Jewelry Tech team. Today I'd like to talk to you about Argentium Silver wire. If you're on YouTube, you can check out the product links in the description below, or if you go to the website, just search for Argentium Silver wire. Now let's get started. First of all, Argentium is a patented and trademarked alloy with a higher purity than sterling silver. Argentium consists of 93.5% silver, 5.3% copper, and 1.2% germanium. That little bit of germanium offers several big advantages. It displays a brighter, whiter color than sterling, reduces fire scale, minimizes tarnish, and allows Argentium to fuse, weld, and granulate easily. The most important property is its tarnish resistance. When choosing the hardness of your Argentium silver wire, it's important to consider how you will be working with the metal and what the end use of the design is. Argentium wire is available in 3 different hardnesses: dead soft, half hard, and hard. These terms refer to the malleability or workability of the metal. Let's talk about some specific types of designs that you could use for each of these different hardnesses. Dead soft is the easiest to bend and form. It's a good choice for working on decorative elements. Half hard, with its stiffness, is good for ear wires, head pins, and wire wrapping. Hard wire is good for designs that need to maintain their shape and strength, like hinges and clasps. Keep in mind, anytime that you heat to solder or fuse, you will return to a dead soft or annealed state. However, by heat hardening, you can return it back to a hardened state. Now let's look at gauge. This can seem a little counterintuitive. The higher the gauge number, the finer the wire. For example, this 28 gauge is finer than this 20 gauge, and the 20 gauge is finer than the 10 gauge. There are commonly used gauges for almost every type of product in the jewelry industry. The tech team has created a recommendations chart for the most commonly used gauges for different types of projects. You can find a link for this chart in the YouTube description below under Charts on the bottom of this product page, or in our resource center by searching Metal Recommended Gauges. These are only suggestions, but they are a good starting point. With a good understanding of hardness and gauge, you'll be better equipped to make the best choice when purchasing wire for your next project. I hope this was helpful. If you have any further questions, contact us.